Welcome friends, welcome to online learning box, and today this is illustrator, and now I'm going to make it with type of illustrations, and it may be called brush, and this is A3 size paper. And now hit OK. In this feature you can customize your artboard like this. Artboard, you can just drag it and you can easily customize your artboard. Okay, so you can know about this in my previous video tutorial, and here I'm draw a ellipse with the help of ellipse tool. Now making the width much more. So here we have got ellipse, and now with the help of this corner I'm making a anchor point. What I'm going to do here, I'm making a leaf. So here a leaf, you can easily adjust with the help of direct selection tool. Okay, this is the handle of your adjusting your anchoring point. Okay, now see, this is a little bit of leaf like thing, so drag it some little more. Okay, now if you happy with this dragging, or if you happy with this drawing, you can go with it. Now I think this is a little bit of leaf like things. Okay, now if you happy, I'm happy with this features. Now if you're happy, you can go or try to make, and you can make one thing, part it in a two part, and with the help of pathfinder tool you can unite it this both of part and make the leaf easily. Okay, so hit here the no border. Okay, no strokes. So here I'm going to take pencil tool. With the help of pencil tool, just try to draw a little bit of like this with me. Just practice and it will obviously make you a perfect illustrator or perfect designer. So here we have got this two part. Now what I'm going to do here, with the help of this pathfinder tool, minus font. If you cannot look or cannot see pathfinder, you can easily go to the windows and see here I'm using that rotate with the help of transform. Okay, so a little bit of trick with the help of pen tool. Now I'm making a stroke, so a little bit of thicker. So here it is. It's you can see this profile. This profile will be go hit OK, and you can easily change this stroke style. Okay, this is round and round, both of side, then it will looks good. Now we have one leaf and this bunch one. So now our tricky part is start from here. So go to the effect, and here effect part and transform. Here with this feature, the always preview mode on, because you need to see what happened with this leaf. So here we need a decrease type of thing. So how many copies? Copies will be maybe 10. If you think it is better, you can go with this 10, and here this is scaling and move. Okay, so see what happened if I hit OK. Nothing. So this is the appearance. If you cannot see appearance, go to this window and see, this is shortcut. Okay, easily you can go to this appearance and hit double click here with this transform effect, which we have given in fifth time. Okay, So always preview mode on. Now the couple of things we need to do here. So it's looks very ugly, so go. Okay, now see, this is this particle, no, not necessary. And here oh no, yes, okay. Now you can easily play with this, and you can learn lots of this feature. So explore your creativity. So here a little bit of okay, I think there should be something. Okay, you can increase and decrease gradually. The lip size will be decreased by this feature. Okay, you can play with this features, and into the 94 and 95 maybe red, and both of side, okay, the same side, because it is lip and it looks like very good. So here this transform tool, you can increase this option, and vertically also, horizontally also you can move. Preview mode all on. Now it looks something good. Okay, increase okay, 20. If you hit okay, now see what happened. If you do 20, no, it's not great, so decrease. Just I'm exploring these features, and how can you utilize these features. This is a very good feature of Illustrator. Thank you Adobe for this. Okay, and how many copy, just explore and think how many copy you need. So here 11 maybe, right? Okay, see this one and this one. Okay, hit okay. Now what I'm going to do here, just copy this one and go to this transform and reflect this one. So see, this is transform, and now reflect. Okay, here reflect, this preview mode on. Just okay. Now with the up arrow tool, up arrow tool, you can easily up it with this stroke. Okay, now it's a little bit of problem. How can you fix this? See this again, transform. So again hit here and reflect. Now this time it's a little bit of horizon. Okay, now it is fixed. Okay, this all problem, a little bit of change this angle. Okay, nice. Okay, and hit okay. Now hit double click this transform, and here this is the closer to this branch, single branch. So what we need to do here, I'm going to preview mode on, and just see this, and you can easily make it and keep it in your mind. So here I'm doing this tricky part. Now I think it will look a bit of better looking. Okay, now see the same. Okay, no, not a it's some issue, so we need to fix this properly. Hit okay. Now it's things good. Now expand everything, and expand everything once more time. Okay, now this is a vector object. Now it is vector object. This portion is a vector object. So go to this window and you can do this. Okay, transform. This is this strip I'm using here. Okay, see, this is not happening because it's now it's a object, vector object, because I'm expanding the appearance of everything, strokes, lines, and expanding. So here our leaf is ready, and we can make, and here some tricky part. So just fix this one. Let's fix this. A little bit of adjustment to do. That will be make great. Okay. Now selecting everything. Now I need to go with this expanding everything and expand once more. Now this both of things is going to be a objects. Okay, now it's object. Now see this one, if this is a F5, there's a brush for the brush, you can easily make it an art brush. So hit here. Okay, now the art box pop-up is appear in front of you. Now do this stretch and this button, this radio button you have need to on and leave everything as it is. So we have got this object. Now make it a brush. Okay, after making brush you need to draw a circle, and this circle would be proportionally equal. And how can you make a proportionally equal? Holding shift and alt button at a time and drag with this ellipse tools. Now we have got this scissor and cut this two path. Okay, now this is actually two part. Okay, this circle actually two part, two different strokes. Now hit here this brush and once more select by selecting this stroke, hit here. Now here some problem. This is actually one another. Actually this is not things what I want. So what I'm going to do here, just selecting this one and with the help of pen tool, see what I'm going to do here. This is with the help of pen tool, just click here. Okay, now see, it's everything fixed. Okay, now we have got beautiful width tool, width brush. Okay, you can easily save this brush for your future illustrations. Okay, and definitely it speedify your workspace, speedify your work style. Okay, as a designer. So here we have got a width. Okay, now you can easily sell it. If you want to sell it to Shutterstock, you can do it. But if you are Shutterstock or want to be a Shutterstock contributor, keep in one things that your artboard size will be 1411.11 pixel minimum. Okay, otherwise they will not accept it your file. Okay, as a EPS file if you are want to be a Shutterstock contributor. So here we have got this two separate things. Actually I'm going to expand everything. Okay, now see what happened. You can put something like that text, write a text here, write your own text here in the middle of this width. Okay, if you think really helpful, this video is really helpful, please give me a thumbs up. And at last, I want to say something that this is an inspirational video. I have got some inspirations from my friend. See, you can easily write here, type your text here like this, type your text, here, just like that company logo, just like you need to create a card, and this illustrations is needed for that time. For you can put easily this illustration to your card, and put and remove this, type your text here, and put your own text. Okay, if you need this illustrations, I will produce it definitely to this below of description box. You can easily use this illustration to your design. It's absolutely free, Creative Commons copyright. Okay, so if you think this is really helpful for you, please give me a thumbs up. It's really inspirational. And see here, if you are a Shutterstock contributor, and this is the resolution, Shutterstock acceptable resolutions. Okay, and now this artboard size definitely increases. Now if you Shutterstock contributor do not create live font, see this flatter transparency, and create all things in outline mode. Now what happened, see, this is what happened. This is very ugly looking. Why? Because I am not expanding every object. So go to this site and expanding everything, and after that expand 2 times. So now if you make a larger size, it's do not lose its quality. So if you are going to make or planning to make these illustrations bigger, expand everything. Thank you very much.